Hey guys, this is Polo here, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of the SD Build Divers RX-Zeromaru Shinkikessho. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, well, it's an SD, I didn't really expect to get this, but after seeing it in the anime, I thought, yeah, it's a good time to actually get this kit. So yeah, here's the box. Now, I never really intended to get the Zeromaru in the first place, maybe because, well, first of all, there's a lot of stickers in this kit, and second of all, well, I don't really like I have enough unicorns, so I don't really want another Zeromaru, so I skipped that version of Zeromaru. I skipped the original Zeromaru, red color version. When they announced the Shinkikessho version, I was like, oh, for the same price, you're getting a Zeromaru with different kits, and it's based on the form of Unicorn Gundam. And it has green cycle frames. I thought, yeah, I'll take that instead of the red Zeromaru. So yeah, it's the box. Now, yeah, just like the original Zeromaru, it's excuse me. Just like the original Zeromaru, this kit is pretty much like a full armor Zeromaru, except now instead of being like a ninja on his own, now it's like half full armor, half ninja. If I put it away. So yeah, it's pretty interesting to see. Let's look at the box. So, yeah, the box art, box art is okay. I mean, I prefer the original box art more than this guy, but, you know, it's okay for what it is. On the side, it shows you the stuff you can do. You do get the weapons you can show you. It's funny enough, I just realized the box art resembles the high grade full armor Unicorn Gundam Destroy Mode's box, like the pose is almost like that, except there's no beam firing from the shield, which is interesting. Alright, so yep, we basically get the so-called crystal and full armor parts to make the Zeromaru, and yeah, I mean it's the Zeromaru we know, but they've changed a bit, so yep, that's that. And just like the new kits, there's no price mentioned here, but I believe it's 1,800 yen. So I remember the original Zeromaru is also 1,800 yen. So I feel this is more worth than the original Zeromaru, mainly because I feel like these parts work better than like the original Zeromaru. All right, I'll stop here and let's cut the tape open live. Right. Wait, it's in the box. First that yeah, this is even worse than the original Zeromaru. Like, there's even way more stickers in this kit. Like, I'm not too concerned about this, mainly because I know how to paint. But seeing all of these stickers made me wonder, well, why can't they just like make this SD like even more part separated. I mean, I understand it's to cut costs, but I don't know, like, now I see the sticker shit, I'm thinking to myself whether this purchase I made is worth my money or not. But we'll see when we do the review. And yeah, you get the green cycle, the green inner cluster frame, which is looks nice. In the back, you got the B plate with the multicolor, which is exactly the same as the original Zeromaru. Next back, we got the C2 plates. This is exactly the same as Zeromaru, so that's that. And then the F plate. This is the new parts. This is for the Shinkikessho version of the RX-Zeromaru. Okay, that's decent. In the last bag, you get the more C1 parts, again, this is for Zeromaru, and then you get the new part, which is again for the Shinkikessho version. I wonder, did I miss anything? Oh no, it's not. Okay. So now from seeing this kit, I think yes, the mount plastic is exactly the same as the original Zeromaru, just that you get different parts to make the Shinkikessho version. And the manual, yeah, it's okay. It's the standard stuff. The high grade size manual, and holy crap, this is bigger than I thought. Just to say, yeah, your parts count, and then your instructions, start with the head, the body, the arms, the legs, the waist, the weapons, and you build the bird, basically. And then the shield, yeah, I know the shields aren't quite accurate. You have to put stickers on or paint them on, which is kind of a bummer. In the back, you've got the Teargun, which is the high grade form unicorn, which is interesting. And yeah, basically you got all the parts to make the Zeromaru, however you like the pose you can do. Alright, fast one unboxing of the RX-Zeromaru Shinkikessho version. Well, now that I opened the box and took a good look inside, I am not so looking forward to this guy. I mean, I will build this guy when I got the time, but man, I have to do a lot of painting. Hopefully, I can paint most of this kit. Like, I know the stickers are easy, just make a casual build, but with this kit having a lot of stickers, I have strong urge to actually paint everything in this kit, including the eyes, because I can't paint the eyes, so I'll leave the eyes alone. So, other than that, I'm gonna paint all this kit. I'm not gonna airbrush it, but I'm going to do hand painting here and there. So that should be a challenge for me to try. So yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.